Hi viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Crunchy Tunes. Today we are going to see the biggest clash of all time. It's going to be a biggest favorites of all time in the world of cricket. It's none other than it's Team India takes on the Pakistan. So it's going to be a vital game and also it's going to be a very interesting game of all the time of the cricket as these both these teams had a very good previous meetings as well as a very good interesting clashes between them. Yes, as we saw a defeat for India against Pakistan last time in the ICC Champions Trophy, where Hardik Pandya was the man who alone performed well in that match, but we couldn't able to keep the match on our hands, and we lost in the finals, and we were the runners up. So this is going to be the revenge moment for India as well. So we will be seeing India's playing 11 against Pakistan, and we are going to see toss prediction, weather conditions, and also we will be looking up into the Dream 11 top 5 picks. So let's get into the video, viewers. We'll start up with India's probable 11, starting up with Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul in the top. They will be confirmedly playing in the top, as Virat Kohli mentioned in the warm-up matches that Rahul and Rohit will be opening and myself will be at number 3. So number 3 it will be the captain King Kohli will be at number 3. Number 4 it's going to be a mashup or clash up between Ishan Kishan or it might be Surya Kumar Yadav, but my opinion is going to be Surya Kumar Yadav, as Ishan Kishan is the second, he is the additional keeper, is none other than he is an backup wicketkeeper batsman. So as of now, Rahul is a keeper batsman. He's playing. He has to play in the top order, and Rishabh Pant is here also a key member for India. So I don't think Ishan Kishan will make into this 11, as he will be the backup wicketkeeper batsman. So he will be kept in the 15. So I think most probably in the number 4 it's going to be Surya Kumar Yadav. So number 5 is going to be Rishabh Pant, and number 6 is going to be none other than uh, it's going to be Hardik Pandya, or else we can look up with Shardul Thakur, but I don't think Shardul Thakur will make into the 11, as even though he did well in the IPL, that IPL is different and ICC tournaments are different. In the ICC tournament, Hardik Pandya had been playing really well and he has a very good records against Pakistan as well. So they will try to back up Hardik Pandya into the side for this match against Pakistan. So number 6 is going to be Hardik Pandya. Number 7 it will be Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 is going to be Ravichandran Ashwin. Number 9 is going to be uh, Mohammad Shami, and number 10 is going to be Jasprit Bumrah, and 11 is none other than it's a mystery spinner from Tamil Nadu. It's none other than CV Varun. So this is our playing 11, viewers. Hope you like it. If you have anything in your minds, you can put it on our comment section below. So now we look up into the toss predictions. So toss prediction is going to be a big key for the game, as I told you in the IPL as well. So teams which are all winning the toss should go for a field. That's my opinion, as they are playing in Dubai International Stadium. The pitch is going to be very slow as usual, as I told in the during the IPL season. It's going to be slow once the ball gets wet, and also Dew is playing a vital game here nowadays. We saw in the opening warm-up matches as well, and also we have saw the qualifier matches. So in that matches and all, there was a Dew factor has been found out in the ground, and also a slow pitch has been as we saw in the IPL. So this and all will make a team for a chasing if they won the toss. So now we will look into the weather condition. Weather in Dubai, as usual, it's a humid and it's going to be hot weather over there in UAE. So Now we will look into the finally Dream 11 top 5 pick. In our Dream 11 top 5 pick, the first contestant is going to be none other than a captain from Pakistan, ex Babar Azam. Everyone might be telling me why you are telling the first Pakistani name in the Dream 11 top 5 pick. It's only because he has been in a terrific form, and also he played well in the warm-up matches as well. So we might look him bad. We might look some good shots against India. So he will be at number one in our Dream Round top 5 pick. So number second, it's going to be none other than it's Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya has been the X factor against Pakistan, and also in the ICC tournaments he has very good records. So we will be looking Hardik Pandya at number 2. So number 3 is going to be none other than it's from India, KL Rahul. KL Rahul has been in a terrific form during the IPL also, from starting from the IPL until now in the warm-up matches as well. He is playing a very terrific innings, so whichever he comes from the bat. So he will be our Dream 11 top 5 pick, fourth contestant, I guess. So first is going to be Babar Azam. The second is going to be Hardik Pandya. Third is going to be KL Rahul. So number 4 now we are going to look now. Number 4 is going to be a battle between India and Pakistan. I don't know to which player I have to go, as I'm a very big fan. I'll go with Virat Kohli, King Kohli. King Kohli didn't perform well till now, but in the IPLs he didn't make a big knock. But we'll be looking a big knock in this T20 for World Cup, as he is a king of ICC tournaments, and he has been the one who has won the more uh, man of the match and man of the series awards. Almost 57 trophies he has been got on his name, which has been a very big name on his very big what to say, it's a very big kind of applause. So he will be at number 4. Number 5, last but not least, it's going to be our Yorker King, Boom Boom Bumrah. Bumrah is going to be also a vital player. So he might getting more wickets, as he was in a good form even in the IPL as well. So we might look him ball well in the death overs. So these are our top 5 Dream 11 top 5 picks. Hope you all like it, viewer. You like this video. If you do like this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press a bell icon once you subscribe our channel. So stay tuned and stay safe, guys.